This video right here is going to go over angle relationships. This is going to go with the homework that is assigned page 288 and 289, 1 through 18. So what we've got here is we have got some angles put together, and it says find the value of x in each figure. So what you want to do first is you want to identify what you know. Well, this one right here has three angles. We have angle ABD, ABC, and angle CBD. If you look at the whole picture, we know right away that angle ABD is a right angle are 90 degrees. So then what you want to do is you want to look at the values that are given to us. That way we can create an equation and solve for x. So the right angle is made up of two angles, which is angle ABC plus angle CBD to equal the right angle. So what we're going to do, is we're going to take these values and plug them in. That way we can write an equation. So we have 2x plus 1 because ABC is 2x plus 1. And then CBD is 33. And these together equal 90. And now we're just going to solve. We can add 33 plus 1, which equals 4. Bring down our 2x. And then r equals 90. And now we're looking at a just typical two-step equation. So we want to do addition or subtraction first. So we're going to subtract 34 from both sides. Okay. We can't take from 0, so we're going to borrow from the 9, carry it over. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So now we're going to put this and this into an equation. I'm going to do it over here. We have 2x equals 56. Now we're at one-step equation, and to isolate the variable, we need to divide by its coefficient, which is 2, on both sides. So now we have 56 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Carry down the 6. 2 goes into 6. 8. Or 2 goes into 16, sorry. 8 times. So our answer is x equals 28. Okay, so that's one type of problem that you'll encounter. Let's look at one with a triangle. Okay, so here we've got a triangle, and one thing that we know is that all triangles, or all the angles in a triangle, equal 180 degrees. So we can look at the values that we have in here. We've got angle Z is 25. Angle X, which is 3x plus 11. And then angle Y it's got the square, so we know that that's a right angle, which equals 90. So when you add these all together, these equal 180. So now what we're just going to do is we're just going to plug in all of these values for each angle and solve. So Z is 25 added to X. This is where our variables come in, which is 3x plus 11 plus Y, which is our 90 degree angle, which is 90, and these equal 180. Okay? So now we've got to combine everything that we can. And we've got some like terms, which are just numbers. So I went ahead and I've underlined them here. Okay, sometimes you're just going to have two numbers you have to add together. Sometimes you may have 3 or 4. So we've got 25 plus 11 plus 90. I'm going to add those all together. 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Okay, so now we're finished with all of these because we've just added them together. Now we've got 3x plus 126 equals 180. Okay? So we're going to stick with our subtraction or addition first. We're going to minus 126 from both sides. Can't take from 0, so we're going to borrow from the 8. Carry over. So we've got 3x equals 54. Okay? Now we're just going to divide by our coefficient. So now I've got 54 divided by 3. So we're going to top in, bottom out. 3 goes into 5 once. Subtract. And 3 goes into 24 8 times. So x equals 18. Okay? And again, that is for assistance with your homework on page 288 to 289. I hope it helps.